Hello. Oh, welcome, my wonderful, brilliant student, David. Today is a truly magnificent day because we are going to unlock the secrets of three beautiful sisters in the English language. See, look, and watch. Hello, Emily. I have been waiting all day for this. I see these words everywhere, but sometimes I feel like I am wandering in a fog. I want to understand them with my whole heart. And you shall. Can you imagine, David? Just by opening your eyes, you are already using the first sister. To see is a gift. It is natural. It is like a camera lens that is always open. You don't even have to try.
Oh, so if I am walking down the street and a red car passes by, I just see it. I didn't plan to, but it happened.
Exactly. It is effortless. You see the blue sky, you see the tall trees, you see the smile on a friend's face. It is the simple magic of having eyes that work. It is the what of our vision.
That is incredible. It's like the world is just painting a picture on my eyes. But then, Emily, what happens when I want to find something specific, like a tiny bird in one of those trees?
Ah, that is when we call upon the second sister. Look. To look is to take your flashlight and point the beam. It is intentional. You are directing your energy toward a target.
Oh, I love that. A flashlight. So if you say, David, look at that flower, you are telling me to move my eyes and focus my attention right there.
Yes, precisely. You are so sharp, David. When we look, we usually use the word at. We look at the map. We look at the clock. We are searching, choosing, and finding.
That reminds me of when I lost my keys this morning. I was looking everywhere for them. I saw many things, the table, the couch, but I was looking for the keys.
What a perfect example. You are a natural storyteller. But now, David, imagine the bird you found starts to sing. It starts to build a nest. It moves. Now we need the third sister. Is it watch? Yes, watch. To watch is to give your time as a gift. It is for things that move, things that change, or things that happen over a long moment. It is like a movie in your mind. Wow, can you imagine? So I see the television in the room, I look at the screen to see if it is on, and then I watch my favorite movie for 2 hours? Oh, David, that is just marvelous. You have captured the soul of the lesson. You watch a soccer game because the ball is moving. You watch the sunset because the colors are changing. It is a journey of the eyes.
So watch is about the action, the movement?
Yes, my dear student. It is about being present. When you watch someone cook a meal, you are following their story. It is a deeper connection than just seeing or looking.
Wow, I never thought that grammar could be so emotional. It feels like I am not just learning words, but learning how to experience the world.
That is the most beautiful thing I have heard today. Language is the bridge to the world's heart. Never forget that you are doing something brave by learning this.
I feel so much more confident now. See is the sense, look is the direction, and watch is the story. Am I right, Emily?
You are more than right. You are spectacular. You are seeing the patterns, looking for the truth, and watching your own progress grow like a beautiful garden.
Thank you, Emily. I am going to go outside now and watch the clouds move across the sky.
Go, embrace the world. And remember, I am so, so proud of the way you see the beauty in learning. Until next time, David.
Goodbye, Emily. This was a wonderful lesson. I will see you soon.
Welcome, welcome, my dearest friends. Today is a day for discovery, and my heart is just overflowing with joy to have you here. David, are you ready to open your eyes to the magic of English?
Oh, Emily, I have been waiting for this all week. I feel like I am standing on the edge of a great mountain, ready to see the whole world. I am so ready.
That is the spirit. Today, we are conquering 3 little words that carry so much power. See, look, and watch. They might seem similar, but oh,
They each tell a different story of the soul. It is fascinating, isn't it? Sometimes I feel like my eyes are doing one thing, but my mind is doing another. Is that why we have 3 different words? Exactly. Let's start with see. Imagine you are walking through a beautiful forest. You aren't searching for anything special. Suddenly, bam, you see a bright red bird. You didn't try to find it. The image just entered your eyes. Oh, so see is like a gift. It is something that happens to me naturally just because my eyes are open. It's like the world is speaking to me. What a poetic way to put it, David. Yes, see is passive. It's the ability of sight. You see the rain, you see the mountains, you see the light in a friend's eyes. It's effortless. I love that. But then, what happens when I decide I want to find that bird again? What if I want to focus my energy on it? That, my dear David, is when we look. When you look, you're using your will. You are pointing your eyes like a powerful flashlight. You say, "Look at that beautiful bird." Ah, I understand. So see is the window, but look is the telescope. I am choosing the direction of my attention. It's an action. Applauding softly. Brilliant. You are absolutely brilliant. Look is usually followed by at. We look at a map, we look at a photograph, or we look at a clock to check the time. It's a moment of directed energy. Scratching his chin thoughtfully. But Emily, there is still one more. Watch. This one feels deeper. Is it because it takes more time? Softly and emotionally. You have such a wonderful intuition. Yes, watch is like look, but it is a journey. When we watch, we are looking at something that is moving, changing, or telling a story over time. With wide wonder, like a movie or a soccer game. I'm not just looking at a still picture, I'm following the life and the action within it. I am watching the story unfold. Yes, you watch the sunset because the colors are shifting. You watch your children play because they are full of movement. Watch is an experience that stays with you. Reflectively, it's like the difference between seeing a person in a crowd, looking at their face to recognize them, and then watching them dance across a stage. It's a progression of connection, touched with a hand over her heart. Oh, David, that is just incredible. You've captured the heart of it. We see with our eyes, we look with our minds, and we watch with our time and our hearts. Inspired. This makes me feel so much more confident. I used to be afraid of making a mistake, but now I feel like I can choose the right word to match my feelings. Encouragingly and warmly. And that is the true secret of learning. It's not about being perfect. It's about expressing the beauty of your thoughts. You are doing such an amazing job, David. Never forget how far you've come. With deep gratitude. Thank you, Emily. Your passion makes these words come alive. I feel like I'm not just learning a language. I'm learning a new way to experience the world. And the world is waiting for you to see it, look at it, and watch all its wonders. Keep that fire burning, my friend. You are a star.